Let's start off by making the green paste for the curry. For this, I have taken 2 onions and roughly chopped them. Then added 2 to 3 green chillis, 5 garlic cloves, an inch of ginger, and a handful of coriander leaves. Grind all of this to a fine paste, add water as required. And then keep the paste aside. Now into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is warm, add the green paste. If you like my videos, please click on the like button and share and subscribe. Fry the paste till the raw smell disappears. You can switch the flame from high, medium to low from time to time. Then add 1.5 cups of milk into the pan. Give this a good mix. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Lower the flame and then add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 to half teaspoon pepper powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix the masala well with the gravy. Let the masala cook for a few minutes, then add half a cup of water. Mix it once again and let the curry boil. The curry has now thickened. If you want more gravy, then add another cup of milk at this point and cook for a while before adding the boiled egg halves. Place the eggs face down. Then cover the eggs with some masala. Finally, add in few chopped coriander leaves and give this a gentle mix. You can now switch off the flame. Serve hot with rice or roti and enjoy.